When you have big dreams to achieve, you have to grow your mind bigger than your dreams. Success, power, health, wealth, fame, and everything else that you desire for is hidden within your own magical instinct. Have you discovered it yet? Presenting the audiobook series B4Success the Revolution Within. Author SudhirKV. This is the first part of this audiobook. In this video, we will run through the contents of the book. So let's begin. Your deepest dive into inner self will unfold the greatest magical instinct hidden within the layers of your subconscious living. Get ready to discover your magical instinct. It is there within you since ever and manipulating your everyday fuss called life. This book, B4Success the Revolution Within, is not just another self-help book, but it is a clear basic need for all people who are in the process of becoming good human, teenagers, in the process of making good human, parents, teachers, academicians, in the process of becoming good scholars, students, in the process of becoming employable, job seekers, employees who are in the process of their career elevation, entrepreneurs who are in the process of their business setup, employers and businessmen who are in the process of achieving growth. People of sentiments who are in the process of achieving emotional stability, unhappy people who are in the process of achieving happiness, people who are in the process of achieving social esteem, love, respect, and trust. People who are in the process of overcoming frequent illness, in the process of overcoming financial problems, in the process of overcoming recent failures, people who are in the process of overcoming depression, anxiety, stress, and everybody else who is suffering the dissatisfactions of life in any of its form. The book at a glance. Chapter 1. Your idea for success. Chapter 2. Measure your current life and problem situations. Chapter 3. Bird eye view of B4Success. Chapter 4. The city of brain. Chapter 5. The city of belief. Chapter 6. The city of behavior. Chapter 7. The house of benefits. Chapter 8. The most awaited success. Amazing book loaded with hundreds of illustrations like this. And then hundreds of quotations like this. Life and success formulas. And mind-boggling stories. Timeless wisdom tasks like this. The life skills, which are mandatory part of life but has never been taught in schools, colleges, universities, or in coaching classes. The life skills, which are the real reason behind the quality of life that people are living today, has been always left in lurch. This is a big gap in education system and a critical nemesis for the human mind. This is the big gap in people's mindset, in their belief system, and in their behavioral flows. People are living a life driven by their subconscious habits. This simple book has a potential to become the greatest guide ever written for the development of right life skills in people's mindset. This book has a great appeal to your brain, to your belief system, to your behavior. A great appeal to break the cells of living a life driven by your untrained subconscious mind. Appeal to discover your magical instinct of creating habitual success. Opening story: The Unknown. It's a thrilling story of an unknown caller. During the call and situations around, between the emotional layers of human psychology, things drastically turn upside down. Something that happens was mind-blowing. At the end of the story, author gets stunned. He says, I don't know who was he, a depressed personality or a savior of my life. But his call left me struggling with 4 basic questions. 1. What is that unknown thing which compels someone from deep within to manifest extreme emotions like distrust, hate, envy, jealousy, pride, or even desire to suicide? 2. What is that unknown thing which blinds someone from deep within to see less of light but abundance of darkness around? 3. Can that unknown thing be discovered and transformed in a way that it can start compelling someone from deep within to manifest emotions like trust, love, joy, respect, and even desire to sacrifice, and see abundance of light around? 4. What is that unknown thing within us that makes the success so desirable and failure so disturbing? That unknown thing is within you and me and within everyone else. It is hidden, it is invisible, yet magically powerful. But what is that exactly? Why that unknown thing exists? What is the reason? There is an unconscious reason behind your every belief, thought, and feeling. If you can identify the reason, you can govern your life consciously. If not, then life gets governed by the reason unknown. B4Success the Revolution Within is the deepest dive into your inner self. It will unfold the greatest magical instinct hidden within the layers of your subconscious living. When you discover, develop, and raise your magical instinct, you become the owner of endless power of your mind. That's the stage when conscious living becomes your habit and habitual success becomes your nature. Contents of the book, starting with the thrilling story of the unknown, followed by geoparody of brain, forward, intrinsic personal tendency, behavioral loop, mind space, personal core, need for success, gap traps of life, leaky bucket of success, levels of success. Preface. Introduction. What lives in your mind? The personal status quo. The spectrum of feelings. The invisible crown. Story of your own inner self. Chapter 1. Your idea for success. The missing magic. Why everyone could not succeed. What is success? Searching success formula. The big solution. The perspective. The mindset. Discovering your own mindset. An introduction to B4Success the Revolution Within. Chapter 2. Measure your current life and problems. Measuring your problem situations, measuring your quality of life, measuring your emotional hack, measuring your personal status quo. Are you living in harmony with nature? Are you resonating with right emotional frequencies? Discovering your own logical DNA. 5 problem situations that are impacting your daily life. Chapter 3. The Bird Eye View of B4Success. The 4 B's for what they stand for. Chapter 4. The City of Brain. Finding facts, unfolding the mysteries of brain. Brain and the nervous system, brain waves. The formation of brain, the psychology of brain, acquiring controls of brain. Acquiring controls of your judgment, reasoning, intellect, and intelligence. Acquiring controls of your perception, emotions, your reflex points, reflex actions. Taking control of your attentiveness and senses. Taking control of your visual and imaginary perceptions. Chapter 5. The City of Belief. Your existence, discovering your external world, discovering your internal world, and their communication with each other. Chapter 6. City of Behavior. Mind's behavioral flows, fancifying the core field, understanding the self-ego versus self-image and attitude, invisible walls and waves of obligations, how to control them, how to identify your unnecessary and necessary walls. Discipline. Chapter 7. House of Benefits. The mind as a problem machine. The mind as a solution factory. Reinventing your individuality. Reinventing your social being. Reinventing your life Fuel. Formulating stunning benefits. 3-step purification of IE cycles. Chapter 8. The most awaited success. Saving the new formula of success. A formula that has never been seen before. Developing your magical instinct. Creating your own success story. The 3-step success. Achieving academic success, financial success, emotional success. Achieving health and wellness. Appendix 1, Appendix 2, Glossary. Extremely easy to read and understand. The book is highly pragmatic to learn and implement. Enormously powerful to begin the most awaited transformation from within. Every moment of your life is oscillating between the two parallel worlds of your existence. And then your subconscious living silently slips through those oscillations and changes the whole game. Who drives your subconscious living? Of course, it's your own magical instinct, which is hidden somewhere within the deep layers of your own inner self. Your inner self is so powerful that it can unlock the real productivity of your brain. When this happens, any success remains no dream, but becomes an effortless habit. Getting into the book, continued in part 2. Get ready to discover your own magical instinct. Thank you for watching and subscribing our channel. Stay tuned for more.